Yeah, keep it in the bowl though, okay? Mix. Here, you could use 2 hands if you want. Here you go. Like this. There you go. We have to cook this first. Yeah, let's use this to mix. Okay?
This? Did you wash your hands?
It's his own breakfast.
Buddy, mine too.
It's okay. You love him.
Silas is having so much fun.
Now we're gonna put pumpkin. Okay, but don't put your. Look, see, it's squishy. You wanna touch it? No, it's not. Oh, I guess you could eat it. How's it taste? You like it? Let's add it in here though, okay? We have to mix it. We have to mix it. Here, can you mix it?